Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Instagram in iPhone. So I'm provide full guide and provide solution. So go out my Instagram apps and open your app store. Okay, and go to search option, search it to Instagram. Then you get update option and you can easily update from here, but some device not showing here to update option, showing here only open option, so don't upset, you just use another method. Open your settings, press on general and click on iPhone storage. Find here your Instagram, open this and you just select offload app and you just reinstall apps. When you select reinstall, then automatically update your apps and reinstall updated apps. So that's it.